Vanessa, what we're doing the day.
A hike.
We are going for a hike. We're here at Buttermere and we're going for a hike. It's scale forced to the waterfall. Woohoo! Here we go. I don't know what way to go. We're lost. We're already lost and we've just started. Just don't know. We don't know what way to go. Making it up as we go. We've decided that we're not going up this way, as nobody else is going this way. Just us. Yeah. We thought we'd seen people, but we might have just been a goat. Oh, it might have been a ghost. You were talking about the goats before.
Ghost. Not goat. I'm a goat.
We're just laughing at how Vanessa walks with her hands. Her hands have to be spread, like her fingers are spread to go down. In case she falls. We've now started hiking up. Vanessa is absolutely dying. But here's where we are so far. Wow. Are you okay, Vanessa?
No.
You can make it.
I can't.
We don't even know where we're going to be honest. We're just killing ourselves off going up.
I'm going to go down somewhere.
Yep. But guess what? We're going down into the lake for a swim. So we've figured out that we went the complete wrong way. We were meant to be going up this hill. So
red.
Vanessa's dying. We're heading back down the hill to go the right way. I'm probably going to have to put more money on for the parking.
Don't cry.
Yeah, Vanessa wants to cry. But I said, you could do it. You could do it. Well, we're back to the sign. And we're going to listen to it. Aren't we?
Yeah.
So, we're back to the start. Listening to the sign. Don't know if this is going to take me the right way. Soon see. We're finally seeing some people.
Oh my god, we lost people.
Yeah, gotta be going the right way. We're absolutely pooped. I actually don't know what to do. This doesn't feel like good. Action.
I don't know where you stepped.
You think you're safe at the end and you're not.
Oh
My god. This is never ending. At least they're not wobbly. Oh my god. I'm glad you went first. Are they wobbly?
That one is.
Wow.
That one's wobbly.
Yeah, they're like the orangey one.
Just gonna try and avoid it. Oh. How the fuck? We came here because this man said it's easy and it's signposted. It's not signposted. There's one sign, isn't there?
Yep.
One sign. And it's kind of hidden away. But we've still not made it yet. We're in a jungle now. Oh my god. Where's it gone? I swear to God, I've just seen a snake. It's under that rock. Well, we're in it, but we're quite up close. Oh, I think I'm blocking the waterfall. But we're sweaty there. Wow! On our way back, and we're gonna have food and go for a swim in the lake. Hello, Mr. Sheep. Oh. What's just happened? Oh, we're walking back to the car and there's a perfectly nice sign there. Wow.